Ja, så kör vi. Okay, is it BMW 2 Series?
1 Series, 120i.
Oh, that's right, 120. It's not even a 1M.
No.
Stock?
Yeah, change air filter and exhaust.
This is a Ferrari F8 Tributo. I think it's close to 700 horsepower.
Okay, yeah, but air filter adds maybe 500 horsepower.
Well, anyway, I will beat the shit out of you anyway.
Yeah, yeah.
From 50.
Yeah.
Okay, see you. Där han får starta. Did you drop the air filter?
Yeah, it was a little slippery.
We'll do a re-race when you take the start.
Yeah.
Because I started ahead. Okay. Det går bra. Jag såg han var på väg att krypa i kapp, men det var inte så att han flög i kapp. Nej. Men 720 kommer jag inte kunna ta alltså.
Ja.
Vem skulle ta täten nu?
Jag vet inte. Jag försöker göra det igen.
Ja.
Det kanske blir lite jämnare liksom.
Ja.
Det gick ju sig ganska bra förra gången.
Ja.
Det låg ju för hela tiden i alla fall. Yeah.
But you should go to 300 at some point.
Yeah. I'll try.
But okay, let's take a coffee now and we'll start the race.
Yeah.
Okay. Re-race with maybe more grip. I will let you get the start.
Yeah.
120 changed air filters.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Ferrari F8 versus Nissejärnet. let off at like 280 or something?
Yeah, a little early probably.
Can you go faster?
Yeah, I probably can, but it's still almost spinning on 7th gear also.
Really? but yeah, I mean, I was really close. You started from 60, I believe, maybe. Should we do from 70 or so, or 80?
Yeah, I tried 3rd gear now, 60, but it's spinning.
But let's try from 100.
Yeah.
100, okay. Ja, Aren kommer ju svimma om jag kommer upp